Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. A desperate cry this evening for the holders of 2 winning lotto tickets to claim their reward before it's too late. Supreme Ventures is urging lotto players to check their tickets as $191 million hang in the balance. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
What would you do if you won the lotto? It's a dream come true for many Jamaicans. That dream became a reality for one lotto and super lotto winner late last year. But those winners have yet to claim their prize and time is running out.
We really do want to find the winner. We need to hand over this jackpot. We are in the business of selling hopes and dreams. We want to make Jamaicans multimillionaires and super millionaires. So it gives us great pleasure to actually hand over these huge amounts to our players. So we really encourage them to check. Even now, if you're listening, check and come forward because you do have a limited amount of time and time is running out.
So what really happened with the winning tickets?
We think of me win it, but we take it last from when I don't even remember the date and so forth. So you know the thing, I never worry myself about it again. But the ticket already lost already.
God Almighty, my heart goes out. I just keep it safe in my back pocket or in my phone case. If I don't lose my phone, I don't lose my ticket.
This is a junkie man buy the ticket. Having a pocket and a drink and take out and dash away. And go there, so you can't find.
Last year, ironically, we had a lotto winner who she made us wait, I think around 2 months. And when she came in, she told us that, boy, she didn't think she won. She buys a whole heap of tickets at once and puts them down one place and then goes back to look over her numbers to make another purchase.
So what happens if the money is never claimed?
Once the 90 days expire, the jackpot actually goes to the government. So we don't keep it. It doesn't go back into our processes at all. It goes to the government. Even if you don't think you've won, the fact is, on our system, we have a winner. We have a winner for each. So it must be someone who bought those numbers. So keep searching, come forward as quick as you can with your government-issued ID so we can get the ball rolling and hand over these mega jackpots.
This is the location where one of the ticket holders bought their ticket, now valued $158.4 million, a super lotto winner. Now this sign behind me is a desperate call by Supreme Ventures for that holder to come in and to cash in that ticket. Still, there have been no takers. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
The Bank of Jamaica issued more currency than planned last month as Jamaicans took Christmas spending to unanticipated heights. In a release earlier today, the BOJ said currency issued in December reached almost $23.6 billion. That's $5.5 billion more than the $18 billion the central bank forecast would be needed to facilitate Christmas spending last year. The bank says the faster currency growth possibly reflected improved GDP growth, employment, and retroactive wage settlements during the period. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.77. The Canadian dollar sold for $94.91. The pound is going for $161.24, while the euro closed the day at $141.19. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in February went up by 53 cents to settle at $46.84 a barrel. The main JSE index gained 1,426 points today to close at 380,652. Caribbean Cement Company, Carreras, Jamaica Broilers Group, JMMB Group, Mayberry Investments, Sagicor Group, and Scotia Group Jamaica were among the advancing stocks. The declining stocks included 1834 Investments, Barita Investments, Epley, Grace Kennedy, Kingston Wharves, and NCB Financial Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.